Looking for the best hair bleaching products? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 hair bleaching products on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, Manic Flash Lightening Hair Bleach Kit. An inexpensive kit that contains everything you need: developer, gloves, bowl, cap and brush. Ideal for bleaching beginners who only want highlights or ombre hair. Most comprehensive. If you want to lighten your entire head of hair, you'll need 2 to 4 boxes. At number 2, Schwarzkopf Professional Blond Me Premium Lift. Can lighten your hair up to 9 levels, without a strong bleach smell. Easy to control brassy tones if you prefer platinum or ash blonde color. An affordable product that makes it easy to achieve the results you prefer. No overpowering scent. Your head will get warm as the bleach settles in. Some reports of damaged packaging upon arrival. At number 1, Wella Blondor Multi-Blonde Powder Lightener. With the right developer and, sometimes, toner, this product will make even the darkest hair turn platinum blonde. Salon quality results without spending hundreds of dollars. Salon-like results. For the whitest shade of blonde, you may need to use 40 developer, which can make hair brittle. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.